Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Back in the day, we measured greatness in bits. Sonic the Hedgehog and Super Mario. Only one could be the king of old school console. Yo, I grew up with Nintendo. Crap when I got it. So obviously, you know what side I end up on it. Super duper Mario and the crew told Luigi the princess not to forget Boo. Who else you know riding a dinosaur? I had you screaming like a kid on Christmas morning. Nintendo 64, all game long. All your chases your tail. I throw fireballs from my drawers in the air.
Since my beginning with Sega, I'm known to every generation. Call me Sonic for a reason. I'm too quick to have the patience for a plumber with a mustache and a dinosaur friend. I go 1,000 miles per hour, you can't even go 10. Go unclog a toilet and quit spewing diarrhea. Before I run you over faster than you can say, Mamma Mia! You collect coins for fun, but I survive off gold. Cause I'm an iced out G, that's why I get sold.
Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Back in the day, we measured greatness in bits. Sonic the Hedgehog and Super Mario. Only one could be the king of old school consoles. Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Back in the day, we measured greatness in bits. Sonic the Hedgehog and Super Mario. Only one could be the king of old school consoles. Yeah, I'm a plumber, so what? You better show some respect. Cause if it wasn't for me, you wouldn't even be here yet. I'm the original, the digital king of console. I'll knock you out, they'll be calling you the King Hippo. Underwater with the frog suit, you swim and you drown. You might be faster than me, but I fly through the clouds. I take them Goombas and turtles without any struggles. You can even finish a level without some help from Knuckles.
Sorry, you were talking? I just got off the phone. Princess Peach called me up because you left her alone. Bowser never snatched her, she was out dating me. Even Yoshi is tamed, keep your girl on a leash. Now I may be a hedgehog, but I'm strong as an ox. Keep your mushrooms to yourself, cause I don't need power-ups. And you can rag on Knuckles, you can hate on Tails, but if you had to take this on, even Bowser would bail.
Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Back in the day, we measured greatness in bits. Sonic the Hedgehog and Super Mario. Only one could be the king of old school consoles. Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Back in the day, we measured greatness in bits. Sonic the Hedgehog and Super Mario. Only one could be the king of old school consoles. You can say whatever you want, Hedgehog. I'm not buying it. Just like the consumer, there ain't no way you can deny it. My princess is mine. No, she never leave me. I lay pipe for a living, and I'm not talking about PVC. Get on your way, Sonic. Leave this town before your terrible sales take another console down. And if leaving is something that you ain't willing to do, I got a nice little recipe for Hedgehog soup.
Whoa, whoa, don't lose your head. Better yet, you have. Because you can't do a single thing to me without that. If you don't have a power-up, you can't bring me down. I mean, I only move faster than the freaking speed of sound. Ow is what you'll say if you try to pet me. Technically, I'm an animal, but I'm wild as can be. You and Luigi will pay if you guys even doubt me. But I got a level to finish, bro. I'm out.
Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Back in the day, we measured greatness in bits. Sonic the Hedgehog and Super Mario. Only one could be the king of old school consoles. Nintendo, Sega Genesis. Back in the day, we measured greatness in bits. Sonic the Hedgehog and Super Mario. Only one could be the king of old school console.